Well, here's a 1969 Chevrolet Corvette L46 Coupe factory air conditioning it has on this car. This is a beautiful car, and as we said, Corvettes are a great investment, and this is one of those Corvettes that will provide an increase in value over time. So good investment, great fun to drive, and that is what this is. Beautiful 1969, code correct Cortez Silver on the exterior, code correct black leather interior, and it has that numbers matching 350 horsepower, 350 cubic inch L46 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. What fun it's going to be to drive. True classic. Features include air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM radio. We know it's originally assembled on December 18th, 69. This Corvette L46 is in good condition. The car's paint is in good condition, great shine. Front chrome bumper shows good condition finish, with rears showing a good to very good finish. Weather stripping, good to very good, and rally wheels are in good condition as well. The interior of this car, as you can see, shows very good condition dash pad, very good carpet, correct appearing AM/FM radios in place. Vinyl covering has been added to the steering wheel rim and rear center console, and a chrome gas pedal has been added as well. Now the numbers matching 350 cubic inch L46 engine in this car shows original casting date November 28th, 1969, with final assembly date December 1st, 69. It's fun to know those things about your vehicle. Correct intake manifold, valve covers, and ignition shielding are all in place, and those polished fanned shroud covers, aluminum radiator, they've all been added. They look great. Front and rear suspension have been rebuilt, and the frame is solid. So call us today. Bring home this air-conditioned 4-speed 69 L46 Coupe. Remember, we provide a free 2-year, 50,000 additional mile warranty, good at any repair facility nationwide. Check out this warranty. Give one of our sales representatives here a call at 770-414-5552. Buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We ship cars nationwide each week, and we make shipping much less expensive than you might imagine. And remember, we are an online dealership. You can come in and visit and view all of the Corvettes here, but we make buying online something you can do with ease and, most importantly, with confidence. So give us a call, buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really, really soon.